How to unhide all sheets in Workbook. In this video we will learn how you can unhide all the hidden sheets. If you have multiple sheets hide in a workbook, so you can write a 2 or 3 line code and unhide them in one go. Let's start. Go to developer tab, go to Visual Basic and insert a module. Write one subroutine like unhide sheet. Dim WS as worksheet. We going to use for each loop in this code. So for each WS, that is worksheet, in active workbook dot worksheets, WS dot visible equals to simply true, or you can also write Excel sheet visible in this option, but true will work without any doubt. So write true. Next, WS. So before executing this code, hide few sheet. Let's hide them. I have hide all the sheet except sheet 1. Now run this code. See, it has unhide all the sheets in a workbook.